Hey guys, just wanted to put another video together, and this is for the people who don't have a strong or long experience using eBay or eBay platform. So for those of you who do not and may not know where to look for tracking numbers, for example, after the sale has occurred, in terms of you buying the product from an eBay seller so that they can ship it to your customer, I will walk you through the system right now. If you are not, by the way, getting the tracking numbers from your eBay sellers, you should actually reach out and ask them for those. So this is exactly how you do so. So once inside the eBay, click on My eBay right here, and then from there you can click on the purchase history, and in here you'll see a lot of different things that we purchase, and we actually purchase a bunch of office supplies, if you will, on eBay as well. Some on Amazon, but some on eBay. As you can see, we have, because we do our own fulfillment, we need some of the supplies. So this is where you would go to look up some of the information. So let's say this is something that you've purchased because somebody purchased it from you, and now you're trying to purchase it from your eBay partner or dropshipper, right? And you have already paid for it, and now you're looking for that tracking number. So if you don't see that tracking number here, what you can do is go to more details and literally click here, look at the view more order details link right there, and what you're going to see is this transaction. So once that order has been shipped out, you can click on show shipping details, and you're going to see the tracking number, the information about this tracking number, if it has already been delivered, and all that good stuff. If you do not have this from your eBay seller, you literally send them a message by, let's see if we can go back to the previous page. You can click on more actions, and then basically follow, let's see, the contact seller, and simply email them or send them a message and literally ask them, say, look, I'm not getting any tracking numbers from you. Would you mind updating this transaction? You can literally say, I have a question about using my item, or I did not receive an item, or I received it wasn't described, or request to cancel, or something else, right? So this is obviously because you're just asking for information. You would click on, I have a question about using my item, or I want to send the seller a message. Then you click continue, and then you can simply write out a message, say, hey, I am looking for a tracking number for this transaction. Would you be so kind as to update that inside the eBay platform? Once they do so, PayPal is also updated because they typically are connected, and eBay sellers are savvy enough to update both so that PayPal doesn't create disputes or you don't do so. So this is how you contact them. Now, if they are savvy enough to update that transaction automatically, which most of them are, then you'll find either this tracking number inside here, or by clicking again view more order details, and then clicking that show shipping details, which you will find here. So typically the eBay sellers send out those tracking numbers within just a few days. Sometimes when it's a long weekend or anything of that nature, or maybe they're overly busy, they may take a little bit longer, but typically you should get an email that's connected to your eBay store that literally says, hey, they sent you a tracking number or something of that nature. Again, this is where you find it. If you do not, certainly ask them to send it to you, and that should automatically give you that information so you can pass it along to your customer. All right, so hopefully this helps, and I'll see you in another video.